welcome back to In the Booth with Brian. Today we're going to go over the importance of using that Luma III Aurora light when clear coating so you can see your wet edge to have a beautiful, brilliant finish. Let's go ahead into the booth and I'll show you what we got today. Today we have a beautiful bumper cover that is all ready for clear coat and a brand new trunk that is ready to get its shine. And we're gonna watch today how that light will light up the panel so we can see our wet edge as we keep that pattern. Now my pattern is around 75 to 80% overlap, and it's very important that I need to be precise. That way I'm putting the right amount of material onto the panel without overdoing it. So let's go ahead and load up the clear gun and let's get spraying. Now for clear, I'm gonna use my GTI Pro light. It's one of my favorite all-around guns. Now with the Luma III Aurora light, once again, it's very simple. You can go off and then on with just a turn of the knob in the back. Now I'm gonna start from the top down, and I'm gonna show you how we can see our wet edge. Now the first thing I noticed with the light on, my droplet size is way too big. So to fix that, I'm gonna turn my pressure up, and then I'm gonna close in my fluid just a little bit and get a little bit smoother droplets. That's gonna make a smoother finish. Now another example, I'm spraying the bumper cover here, and as I'm spraying, I'm able to see how far I need to keep overlapping. Now with the light, it's hard to tell, but in certain areas, I can still see where my paint is a little bit dry and would need one extra pass. Now in this particular part of the booth, there's absolutely no light because it's actually where the windows are. So I got no lighting here, but with the gun, I can kind of see exactly what I'm doing. Now after just one pass, you can see how it is so important to keep a wet edge. Without that wet edge, you cannot have a continuous clear coat layer applied. It's gonna be dry, it's not good because you want a nice even finish. And that even finish is gonna give you the mils you need to give it the UV protection and give it that brilliant luster. And again, here on the bumper, we have that same shine as the trunk. And evidence of this shine is through that light, allowing us to see what we're doing, especially on black, when everything just needs to be as perfect as it can be. And just like that, we've got a beautiful finish on our trunk and our bumper. Now it's because of the light that we're able to see that wet edge. Now I especially like the light in small and tight areas like a door jamb or in between a bumper cover where it's hard to see areas, the light really lights it up and shows you, do you have clear coverage? Now I'm sure you're wondering, with all that clear overspray, is it going to ruin the lens of the light? Well, the good thing is we have another episode on that, so make sure you check it out. we show you how to clean up these lights. So now that you know how to spray clear coat with the light, let's shine it up.